Hey everybody, Barry here again. Working on Cameron's 6.2 liter. This is a complete rebuild. Waiting on a few parts, but I have everything I can do to the cylinder heads, so let's do it.
Just want to show off these springs. They're double springs and they're so nice. Trickflow, this is for the 6.2, TFS 2500287P, and it comes with literally everything. Shims, seals, bottom spring plates, retainers, keepers, and of course the springs themselves. So I went ahead and assembled the bottom part here. That's with a shim, the bottom seat, and the seal. Just poke the valves through, and then we'll go over the coolest tool that I've ever used. So here's the part number on the valve spring compressor tool. This is supposed to be for an LS1, TFS 90306, but this is an LS3 head, and it was incorrect. So I just kind of grabbed a reamer bit and opened up the holes more so it can work for either head. And it works just fine here. So it bolts in where the rockers bolt on. I'm just going to show off this tool because I never used one before until I did my heads with it. You just bolt that down. Pop in your fresh valves, new springs, retainers, and here's the magic. This is the piece that goes on top. The top of the spring sits in right here. Just bring it down like this. I like to get it in until this Allen bolt gets threaded the whole way through the bracket here. And I can see that it is. And then the nut down here. And now the spring isn't quite lined up with the valve, so just kind of pop it over a little bit. Sometimes it takes a little bit of adjustment. We take our new locks. And if I have the valves down far enough, or the springs down far enough, which I don't quite think I do, we can put our locks in. The one thing that I love about this tool is I can just sit here all day with that spring compressed and I'm not stressed out that it's going to explode in my face. A little bit more. It can be still a little bit awkward, but it does work very well. At the very least, I don't have to try to hold on to a spring tool that's trying to kill me. Even with the proper tool, I suck at this. Alright, this seems to be it. Now I don't like using an impact to get this back up because the hammering from the impact gun just makes the keepers bounce around. So just let them off slowly with a ratchet.
And we're done. And that's it. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day.